everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing great. Thank you for all your love and support that you have showered upon my last videos, and that's why I'm here. It inspired me a lot to make another video and back here with a new video. So in the last previous video, I left with you with the question: what is the purpose of your life? So, just to give it a better clarity, I'm here today. I will share a small experience, small incident with you that happened to me, and it was like I lost my mother 2 years back in January 2018 due to a severe heart attack, and we didn't even get time to hospitalize her in hospital. And before we could do something, we got a news that she is no more, and we even didn't saw her in her last moments. So that was very shocking to us, to my brother and me, and we were just left in shock. And what happened? We For me it was very difficult because in the morning itself I was with my mom, with my family, and in the afternoon I got this news. So it was very painful and I could not get out of it. So for few days I was just in a state of, I don't know what was going inside me. I was just in the state of sadness, and I was thinking like there is no reason to live now because I have no one to love for me, to care for me, because mother's love is unconditional, and we cannot expect that love from anyone else. So that was the thing that made me realize that no, I don't have to leave now. I don't have any reason to leave now, and that was it. And I was finding very difficult to forget that moment, and I was finding myself very low. One day, what happened? A few ladies came at our home, and they were telling about my mother, that how she helped other ladies in whatever they want, wherever they are in need. And that was my mother's nature. We all were knowing that she was very helpful. She always believed in giving. Whenever someone was in need, she used to give whatever she had. So that was not new for us, but the experiences they shared, it was like a eye opener for me, because what I found, she has passed the legacy of joy of giving to us. And now what we were doing, we were just being in a state of sadness, and that was not acceptable at all. If she would have been in that moment, she would not liked it. I thought it to myself. And what happened? That incident took me in the flashback, that how my mother used to find every positive thing in even a negative situation also. So that was one thing that I felt that no, I'm doing wrong to my mother, I'm doing wrong to myself, and I need to carry forward the legacy of joy of giving, because my mother had carried it from her childhood, that thing, because she nurtured her little brothers and sisters. At the age of 14 only she lost her mother, and she nurtured them, she brought them up, and whatever they are today, it's, I think, because of her. And I have seen her doing everything for whatever she can do for everyone. So that made me realize that no, it's now my turn, it's now my turn to do that, because it will be very unacceptable if I be in this state, because it will lead me to nowhere. So what I decided that day, that I will carry forward that legacy of joy of giving. And that moment, something magical happened to me, and I just thank God. Because what happened, my mother always used to say, like, whatever happens for good, and universe has something planned for us. So that moment I thought, no, I should not sit like this, I should not be in a sad state, I have to do something for myself, for my mother, for the society. And that was the incident or the moment I decided I have to do something. And I thought that I would make everyone around me happy, and that can be done only after I myself is happy first. So I took action for myself, I took actions for being happy, and then I realized that if you think you can get pain, and if you think you can get joy. So this is also was something from my mother, that if you give pain, you will receive pain. So choice is yours. What you have to do, what you have to pass, what you have to gain. So that was the thing I wanted to share with you all, and because that incident gave me a realization, that incident gave me a purpose of life. I decided that I will impact thousands of people in around me to discover themselves, to find the true self, true meaning of happiness. And that was the thing that I myself was very confident enough that I will do it. And today, yes, obviously I'm impacting many lives, and I will do it in future also, because it is the purpose of my life. So guys, this was for you too, because this is not a very big thing. It's a small thing, big, but it can make a big difference in someone else's life. So the purpose should not sound very big. It can be a small one, but its impact will be a very large one. So just to tell you, or just to give you a better clarity about this, I just made this video. So if you find it helpful, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.